Hey everybody, what makes me different than every other agent out there? I'm so glad you asked. I'm offering every penny of bonus commission rebated back to you at closing. I'm here in the fabulous Liberty community, so popular because of all the fabulous amenities that are offered here. This is the Freeport model, extremely popular model. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath and 2-car garage model that offers 1458 square feet. We are here at 7093 William Pitsenbarger Road. And so we're going to take a look inside in just a moment. And remember, right now we can get 4.99% fixed rate financing or 3.875 adjustable rate mortgage financing for those who qualify. Most, if not all, closing costs paid. And things like refrigerators, blinds, I've been able to also get for people lately. So let's take a look inside and see what the Freeport model has to offer. Come with me.